Good morning and welcome back to the workshop. Been a long time since I've said that, what it feels like. Today we're going to be maybe making a Kiradashi, or we could be doing some squiggly balustrade leg replacements for a company. We shall see. It depends how soon the metal arrives, because I've got the steel for the Kiradashi already here, and then the steel for the squiggly balustrade things should be coming this morning. It should have been here at 9, but I guess traffic was bad. Also, pretty bloody cold. We've got a couple of upgrades to make on the workshop. One, the compressor. Now we've got a little compressor, I think it's a 50 litre one, but over here we have got, you can see behind the motorbike, quite a big one. You can see through that, look at that. Old one, but had no fittings. So we've got to make the fittings, well, not make, put on the fittings and the hoses for this, which is what these are for. Quick fit fittings, hose. Lovely. Alright, we have got our quick fit little doodad here, and that should just screw on to our 1/4 inch BSP thread, which it is quite nicely. Oh, I could have done with some tape, which is over there. Still. Luckily, we had some in the pack that came with these. Very kind of them. Put a load of that on. That'll do. Sure. You want to make sure when you're screwing it on, it's wrapping the tape round and not undoing it. Otherwise, it'll all bunch up inside, and it won't work, basically. So just screw that on. Get that done up. Seems like it's alright. Now we shall see if that holds pressure. Now, as I'm sure you're aware, you can hear the compressor still going off. That's going to fill up for another 20 minutes. It is slow. Hopefully it's got enough CFM to, or air in reserve, hold up to our usage. If not, I'm not really sure what we're going to do. Maybe we'll have to upgrade the motor or just get a different one. Not sure. Now I'm going to put on one of these and one of these onto the end of this hose. Now before I completely undo it, I'm going to put them on because it'll be easier when it's a bunch. And yeah. And then we'll test it, I suppose. Yeah. Speed this up if you can. Oh, I forgot to put the tape in. difficult. One hand. Oh, solid. You get the idea. I'm putting a regulator on my gas bottle to connect it up to the forge. Again, hard one-handed. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, got to rearrange where the thing is. The tooling on these, well, not the tooling, the receiver, the male parts on these for the ones that came with the set, because otherwise it won't fit on the new receiver. Oh, thank God. Finally it's full, but it's leaking and I can hear it leaking from here. Not sure where it is leaking from though. I guess we'll find out in a minute. It could just be some sort of pressure release valve. No idea. No idea. That thread is not lining up in there. Not sure what that is. It's doing something funky. Oh well. Probably be fine, just do it up tight enough. Wrap that round. Oh, look at that, boom. We've used up the perfect amount of tape. Great. Gonna need to buy some more if we get any more tools though. Air tools. Alright, let's go do these up. I'm gonna clamp them in the leg vice. Oh, wow, that's right, crazy. Just there. Just there. Do that up there. Hey, do that up. Oh shit. Hey, well, we're not getting that off. That's on there. We just rounded off the fucking nut on there, if you can see that. Look at that. Brilliant. Chinesium. Absolute best quality Chinesium, those. Oh well, time for the other. Obviously, it changes the pressure unless I get it in a certain spot. Pushing it, whatever. Maybe that's a pressure relief valve. No clue. But I'm gonna just do this up as tight as it can go, and then hopefully that'll stop the leak, because you can hear the air leaking. That's not really done anything. However, there is this little doodad down here, and I wiggled that around and somehow it's stopped pushing some air out. So I wonder if this is just some sort of slow release to make sure it never has pressure in there. No idea. Well, doesn't have pressure in there overnight or some shit. Not sure, but it's still on. We've dropped from 200 and something, whatever, to now just under 150 psi. So I'm not really sure what's going on there. I don't know, we've got plenty of air pressure, but oh yeah, look at that, boom. Line open, that is holding the pressure perfectly. And let's plug the hose in and see if it works. But I'm just going to leave that for now, let that leak. We shall see. It's rated to 90 psi. Oh, pardon me. We are currently at 140 psi. So I'm going to plug it in. Just do a quick little test. And well, we've got a little doodad on here that allows, you can adjust the airflow on. So we're going to put that close to minimum because I don't really want 150 psi going through here and blowing up like a grenade. But locks in nice, no leaks on the line, first time ever. Look at that. Woo! Hey, 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 hey. Yep, there we go. It also sounds better now, it's got more pressure in it, but I know it's not supposed to have that much pressure in it. We're running it higher anyway. We're running at about 100 and something anyway. But I think 200, which is the maximum of the compressor, is going to be a little bit too much. Probably just going to blow it up. But yeah, that's that done. Now, we got to make a hook for this hose line to sit just under the fuse board there. Well, it's going to be a big one.